Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series I am going to show you how to make pulao in Wazwan. This video has been shot with the help of Kashmiri chefs or local Wazas. Kashmiri Pulao is served in Wazwan and it's quite different from all other pulaos. It's loaded with nuts and ghee, so let's get started. For making pulao, they have taken mutton stock in a vessel and added spices that include 10 to 12 green cardamoms, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon, bay leaves. In Wazwan, almost everything's cooked in mutton stock because there is enormous amount of mutton stock. Then they have added quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Then they will keep it on the flame and let it boil for a while. Kashmiri Wazwan is cooked on simmering flames of wood, as you can see here. After a few boils, they have taken it off the flame and added washed basmati rice. They have taken Sela basmati rice, that's a little brownish in color. You can use normal basmati rice also. Now they will cook it for some time on flame. Here you can see till it's almost 80% done. They will let all the water absorb. Here you can see a little bit water is left. Now they will be adding ghee and dry fruits to it. At this stage you can check for the salt too if it needs to be adjusted. And now they will be adding ghee to it. They have added hot ghee to it and dry fruits, and here you can see they have added good generous amount of ghee or clarified butter to it. They will mix it and then they will be adding dry fruits. Dry fruits you can add anything of your choice. They have added raisins, cashews, almonds. And then they will cover it with the lid and keep it on burning charcoal. Here you can see it's not directly on the flame, it's on the burning charcoal, and they will keep it like this till it's fully done. Here you can see it's done now and ready to be served. It's served hot. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Do check out my other Wazwan videos, and I'll be leaving a link of pulao recipe that's cooked a little different where fried onions give the color. I'll be leaving that link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.